Hi, this is Jason Barber, and I'm here to talk to you about the instructions for setting up your workspace for an Honorlock quiz or exam. So first of all, you're going to have an external webcam, which you can see here. Okay, and I'm showing you in the mirror. Okay, so my laptop is right here, and this is my external cam, and I've set it up on a jar. I'm just using a 1-quart mason jar because it gets it up off the table, and that way you can see all of my workspace here. I have a mirror over here, which just allows if there were any space over to my right that you couldn't see, that then you'll be able to see it. I've already set up my workspace. I've got my calculator here, pencil, extra pencil, eraser, I have my equation sheet, and some other papers here. So I'll talk about those in a moment. So basically, while you're doing the exam, you want to have everything already prepared on your workspace, and you're not reaching into any unseen areas or looking into unseen areas where you could be referencing some other material. So keep everything visible and just focus on your workspace, and you do your work there because we know that most students are just doing their own work. And so make it nice and obvious that you're doing your own work by just keeping everything right in front of you in plain sight. And so as you start the quiz, there'll be some requirements to show your ID. So you'll do that. You'll need to do a room scan where you'll pick up your webcam and you'll show the room. So here you can see my office, okay, and my messy desk and my bookcase. And then over there, okay, you can see not anything else back there. Okay. So you do your room scan, and then you want to make sure that your webcam gets set up so that's going to show what it's supposed to. And then you start off by showing each paper that you have, and you want to make sure it's in there from top to bottom, side to side. Show both sides. In this case, this is an equation sheet, so this would be for a Physics 111 course where you're allowed to have an equation sheet. You're also allowed to have a problem-solving template, actually as many of these as you want. You show both sides. If you have any blank paper, show it, both sides. And so as I'm showing this, I can see it on my monitor right in front of me, so I can make sure that it's showing up clearly. Also, as you're doing work and you're drawing a diagram and you're putting, whatever information in here, and you're writing out equations, and then you're finished with a particular problem, and obviously I haven't written very much here, but let's say you're finished and you're entering in your answer into Canvas. At that point, when you're done with the problem, you've entered your answer into Canvas. Go ahead and show your work to the camera, and then you're done with that problem, so you shouldn't be editing that one anymore. If you do realize that you did something wrong and you edit it, then you would show it to the camera again. So no big deal if you do edit it. All right, and if you have any questions, just ask your instructor.